In this video, you'll learn how to use volume indicators, why it's so important. Let's start. In this lesson, I will share with you two types of volume indicators. First one, it is horizontal and vertical volume. I will share with you how you can use it and why it's so important. Let's start. My name is Yuri. I'm top of trading you. Let's do this analysis and this forecast. First one, as you can see, we have two types of volumes. First one, here it is a BNB coin. As you can see, it is a BNB chart. Let's open Bitcoin because I know that most of you like Bitcoin, like to trade Bitcoin, and I would like to share with you all of this. Let's do first volume. It is vertical volume. After that, this horizontal volume. How all of that stuff works. Why this vertical volume is important? Because it shows to you that people do transactions, and especially as you can see, when price bounce with powerful volume, it's a good signal. Because take a look here on Bitcoin history, on Bitcoin statistic, and take a look. Nearly every massive drop, as you can see, price did. Why it's so important? Because imagine this level. I think you understand that a lot of people set stop losses below that level, and stop losses, it is a lot of trades, and when a lot of trades made, volume increase, and other people, other big guys can accumulate and buy crypto in that place. That's why it is important. Also take a look here, nearly the biggest volume ever, as you can see, it was here during this massive drop. And after that, price bounce. And why it's so important? Because a lot of people that accumulate Bitcoin during that range, during this range, what they did, yes, many of them just quit. And when they quit, they do transactions. And when they do transactions, volume increase. In what cases volume could be really useful for you? First one, at bottom. When you see that price, for example, dropped a lot, and you see that price bounced and volume increased dramatically, that's a good signal that someone supports that instruments. It nearly the same as at this moment we have on Bitcoin. Take a look why this pullback was really awesome. Because take a look on this massive volume increase during this drop. How it works. Imagine that price dropping and a lot of people set their pending orders. Lesson about pending orders, we have a whole playlist for beginners, my friends. If some words that I use is not clear for you, below there would be whole playlist for a course for beginners. So watch it, all that lessons, and you will change your understanding completely. As you can see, this horizontal volume, the biggest amount of that volume happened at the bottom. Why it's so important? Because that shows to us that big guys accumulate massive position. Take a look. The big guys accumulate massive positions and hit a lot of stop losses, as it was here, and it become as support. It become as volume support. Another example for you when volume really important, I would share for you this BNB example. Take a look on this BNB example. Many days ago, I think you remember this situation when BNB were traded and BNB finished its uptrend here. And take a look. As you can see, what BNB did. The price were in powerful uptrend, and after that, as you can see, this horizontal volume, this vertical volume, as you can see, the biggest volume were after this massive uprise from 220 to 637, and as you can see, someone sold a lot and price closed at bottom. Someone sold because price dropped. Only in that case price dropped, and volume increased dramatically. In that case, volume will help you to understand that there were some trades, and after that, if you would watch my TradingView page, you would remember that here I told that there would be pullback at price for 2.5 weeks inside in this range. Another example for you of breakout volume. Take a look. Sometimes, as you can see, when price break key level and volume increase like here, it shows to us that price starts a trend. As you can see, I show to you that in most cases I use this type of volume when identify a bottom. It is the first scenario. Second scenario, to identify that it is finished, that there is a high, and a third one to identify breakout, that price broke some area, and after that there would be start of powerful movement. If you have any questions, you can ask it. Also, there would be a text version of this on our website, Breakout Trading Academy. All links are below in description. Another type of volume that I use, it is this one. It is a type of volume, a horizontal volume. Why it's so important? Difference between this volume and this volume, it shows to us volume inside in one particular candle. But this volume show to us volume that we see on a chart inside on that price. For example, like this price, it shows to us a volume where people trade. For example, here. It adds, and after that, it shows to you a lot of volume. I personally call such stuff is a value area. Why I call it a value area? Because take a look on this range. Example for you, a place where most of volume were created. I think you agree that here, inside in this range, were traded nearly the biggest part of this volume, nearly nearly half of what we see on this chart. And how it works. Inside in a range, big guys can accumulate position, can buy a lot of coins. And after that, when price break such area, there always could be beautiful uprise. If you saw my update on Bitcoin that I recorded a few days ago, when I told that from this place, the huge possibility price will start powerful down drop. Because take a look, what happened. Here was a big volume, massive value area here on high. And take a look what happened after that. By the way, some of you have a questions how you can set such indicators. You can join our program, education program, and my team help our VPRO members and our students to set all of that indicators on your chart screen. As you can see, my friends, as you can see here, what's going on. As you can see, this massive value area, and take a look, when price broke this massive value area, what happened after that? Price, as you can see, dropped to another value area here. As you can see, two value areas, and only border of this value area stopped that trend. As you can see, only price drop exactly to a border of this value area. Why it works? Because you should understand that a lot of people open a lot of their trades inside in that range, and when price come back to that area, a lot of them keep their stop losses, keep their penny orders inside in that place. And when price come it, a lot of people get out of positions, their stop losses hit, break even hits, and that's the reason why price react on it. That's why if I would summarize for you, this horizontal volume creates really powerful support and resistance. If price broke it up, it become a support. If price it broke it down and close out of it, it become really powerful resistance. That's all. Any questions, ask it. Join our AZ trading course. All link, all info in description. Thank you for your time. See you.